white hardtop. From our collection, we're offering our 1965 Pontiac GTO hardtop coupe. This car is a documented California car, and it underwent a ground-up restoration. There was no need to take it off the frame because the undercarriage is lovely and is completely rust-free. It is finished in Capri gold with matching interior. It has power steering, power brakes, power rear antenna, a reverberator radio, the rally engage package, the remote mirror, the M20 wide ratio 4-speed transmission, has the Pontiac AM/FM radio with a reverberator speaker system, which is in the trunk. An aftermarket AM/FM has been installed, but the dash fortunately has not been altered. It has the highly desirable wood steering wheel, the tilt wheel, rear window defogger, center console, vacuum gauge, factory seat belts, tinted windows, windshield wiper washer system, and if you look down the sides of it, it is as straight as an arrow. Has the red line radial tires, the chrome beauty grains, 14-inch radial tires, and the Golden Gate Goats Club documentation. And it is absolutely amazing. The engine is a 389 tri-power engine with the M20 4-speed fully synchronized transmission that I think I referenced a few moments ago. It does have the factory air conditioning, the windshield washer bottle. You can see the power steering unit, the power brake unit has been upgraded and is a dual chambered master cylinder. The engine compartment is show quality, and it has the hood modification where the air scoop was made functional. And that was a dealer added option in August of 1965. The engine is coated with the highly desirable WS on the front of the lock on the passenger side. I don't know if that's visible or not, but it sure is there, which confirms that it was a 389 tri-powered engine. Here we have the trunk compartment, which, as you can see, is in beautiful condition. No rust or crust anywhere at all. All of the rubber moldings have been replaced during the restoration. The electric antenna is fully functional. We also have the owner's manual and a parts price list and an original Pontiac AM/FM radio, which is ready to be installed. I also have the knobs for that radio system. And here we have the trouble lamp, which can be which is fully removable with a spring-loaded wiring harness, which can go all the way around the car if necessary for evening. You can see some of the original decals that are located for the trunk.
Boy, that really sounds good. It really does.
And as you can see, the gauges are all fully functional. The tachometer, the manifold vacuum, water temperature, the oil pressure, and you can drive this car for several hours, turn it off, and it'll start right back up again instantly.